Alright, here's what I want you to write down in box 3. Now I'd like you to try this problem first. Press pause and just try it on your own. Do not just copy down what I'm about to write. Pause it and try it first. If you get it wrong, you can always go back and fix it. Now, so please pause it. Alright, I'm waiting for you to pause it. Now, you should have already tried this problem. If you haven't, it's a waste of time, so pause and try it. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. So, what we do is we take y equals 5 minus 7, and we take this y out and put 5x minus 7 in there for that y. So, we get negative 3x minus, I'm going to take 2. Now, don't forget, always put what you put in for the y in parentheses. So, I'm going to put 5x minus 7 in parentheses, and that equals negative 12. Now, you can draw your river here if you want, I guess. So let's do this. We're going to first use distributive property. So negative 2 times 5 and negative 2 times 7. So we get negative 3x. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10x. Negative 2 times negative 7 is positive 14. Equals, of course, this stays negative 12. Now, we're going to combine our like terms. We have a negative 3x and a negative 10x. So in your calculator, you do negative 3 plus negative 10. You get negative 13x plus 14 equals negative 12. Now, this is now just a two-step equation. Get rid of the positive 14, we do negative 14 on both sides. These two cancel. We get negative 13x equals, now in your calculator you do negative 12 plus negative 14. You get negative 26. Divide both sides by negative 13. You get x equals 2. So we got one of our parts. We need x equals 2. So what are we going to do? We're going to go back and use this equation right here. Y equals 5x minus 7. We're going to plug in that 2 in for that x to figure out what y is. So I write y equals 5 times, now we plug in 2 for that x and subtract 7. So y is 5 times 2 is 10 minus 7. So y equals 3. So those are our two answers. X is 2, y is 3. So now we can write that as an ordered pair. I always put the x first and our y second. That's our final answer. Remember to pause this if you need it, or rewind to anything you didn't understand. If you still don't understand, raise your hand and ask me questions. Don't just copy this. Make sure you understand what you're copying.